After draining engine oil, old engine oil, you just have to fix up that drain plug again to its own position, and then you have to pour this mixture inside the engine through the plug from where you generally fill up the engine oil, and then you have to keep the vehicle on for at least 10 minutes, and that is also at idle speed. I'm going to show you the difference also, so you will get to know that how does it work. This process is conventional, and sometimes I prefer this also, because just in case if I'm not getting chemicals in the market or somewhere, if I am at a remote place or something, I use this process. And then after removing the mixture from the engine after 10 minutes, you can go with the regular engine oil which you want to pour, right? So first we are draining this, then we'll put this drain plug as it is, so we can pour this mixture. Just mix it well, so separation shouldn't be there actually. It's properly mixed. Since we have drained everything, I'm just going to pour. Careful with the things. This doesn't have dipstick, so this has only glass. Okay, so I'm going to pour this mixture. Just use this rod so it will not spill. Just with the camera. Okay. Just keep on. Don't have a beeper, but okay. That's it. So I have filled up now. I'm going to keep the vehicle on for almost 10 minutes. Remember, 10 minutes. Keep the vehicle in neutral condition, don't keep it in the gear. Okay, and then just start the bike. Don't raise the bike, let it be at idle speed, and then keep it for 10 minutes, and then drain that mixture, and then you can fill up. Now I'm going to keep this vehicle on for almost 10 minutes, and then I will show you pouring.